What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the Animus, and today we are going to be reviewing the Gaahleri airbrush storage. Let's get right to it. Now, I did receive this product from Gaahleri, so we can go ahead and review it here on the channel. Again, we'll always keep things honest here, whether it's not good or bad, or if it's so-so, we will find out for sure. And I know that they released this in regards to people that travel with their airbrushes, so that way they could get like a little bit extra protection, or instead of just carrying with like one needle or maybe just one tip, then they could just use multiple caps itself as well, right? So for this product here, I also brought my little box for my swallowtail for Barbatos Rex, and then which is a collaboration from Gaahleri and Barbatos Rex, and that airbrush has been really good to me. I use it mainly for all my clears or spraying primer. You know, it's definitely a workhorse. We've been using it with the 160 new as well, because of the 5mm needle with the fan cap there. It's been super easy to spray and get good coverage when it comes to clears and your my primer in those big parts for the 160 new. So but now back to this product right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Once you go ahead and open up the box, you do have the little plastic storage here. Or is it metal? Is it metal? Oh, it's metal. Okay, all right. I'm super excited because I like doing blind unboxings like these, because I'm usually don't know what's inside the boxes until I open them, because I always like to keep it honest. So I'm very excited that they included something like this as well. Here you see you have your air caps right here. You have a nozzle cap here. You can get you have storage for nozzles. You got the metal tag for this that you can just set there, and it'll tell you which nozzles it is, and then it'll tell you which needle. So this is actually really good, especially when you're trying to travel, because I know for a fact that when I carry, like when I go to a friend's house maybe to paint or something like that, and I take some of my airbrushes, it's usually a little hectic because I don't have any storage for them. So I just got to make sure I try to carry them as best as I can, basically, without them getting damaged. So I'm really happy that they did include something like this as well, which is metal tags that also has the millimeters for the needles in there, so you can go ahead and tag everything. So this is really cool. Now, for the product itself, the product was made for people, I'm guessing people that travel a lot with their airbrushes and stuff like that. So now for the instructions, it also tells you that it is interchangeable. So if you do have bigger parts, all you got to do is remove the inserts, set them to the side, and insert the bigger parts there. That's actually pretty useful. For the swallowtail itself, the swallowtail, when you open it, it does have it comes with a lot of accessories. It comes with a lot of stuff and caps and all that stuff, and it comes with 2 needles, right? So one of the needles is supposed to be the 5mm, and then the other one, the 0.5mm, and then the other one is the 0.3, right? So basically what this does here is that you can't put the whole thing inside the storage. However, you can store the needle inside, and you know, bear with me because I'm figuring it out as I use it as well. So I see that the actual box itself has some slashes here, so that is to secure the needle. So you will actually undress the whole needle and then place it there. So this needle is the 0.7, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 0.7. All right, so that is the 0.7. So what I'm going to do is that you're gonna go ahead and bend, or lightly bend, the sides here. I'm probably gonna have to use my nippers for this. You know, slightly bend them right there, like so. Bend the other side. Now, for those of you that are probably screaming in the comments about me using my nippers for this, mind you, I'm not really closing the nippers. I'm just using the blade to give it a little bend. So now I'll go ahead and place this here. Look at that. That looks really nice. I know that for a fact they have them listed on the site right now, currently, and it's on sale. So if you guys are in the market for some of these, they do have them on sale right now. Although I'm not sure when the sale is going to end, so just keep that in mind. You know, I'm not sure when the sales are going to end, so you're going to have to keep a lookout for that. Put that there, and then take the other insert out. Put that there. that is it. And that is it. So now I have everything in my storage. Just go ahead and close it out. And it does seem pretty secure, but I can hear something rattling in there. So I'm guessing I'm just going to go ahead and put this here just in case, just to give it that extra support for the storage, and it stopped shaking. Good. All right, awesome. Well, that's a short video. What can I say? It's very convenient for travel, for people that like to travel. I mean, if you compare side to side, you're either going to take something like this or you're going to take something like this, right? So this is very convenient. So very short video, very short review, very pleased with the product. It is an aluminum case, so it'll definitely carry your stuff, and it's very secure there too. So I don't have any issues with it. So, and that is it for today's video review. Like I said, it was going to be just a short video, so you guys can take a look at this. And I like this. I like this a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time.